Hi, hello, welcome back to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is a very simple and yummy liver fry. Add some oil to a pan and once it's heated, add 2 finely chopped onions. And once it changes color, add half a kg of liver. Mix everything well. To this, add 2 slit green chilies. Add some salt and pepper powder according to your taste. Mix everything well. Now cover and cook for about 4 minutes. Stir in between and again cover and cook for another 4 minutes. Now gently press on one of the peas to see if it's cooked well. Do not overcook or it will become very hard. Now once all the liquid is evaporated, add a handful of finely chopped spring onion. Now mix well and cook for about a minute. Your delicious liver fry is ready to be enjoyed. Do give a try to this delicious recipe. Until we meet again, happy cooking!